Want to see the truth? Seriously? Don't look at what they say when they're in love. Look at what they do once they're caught. They'll deny until their throat is dry, telling you. They'll flip it around so suddenly you're the bad guy and they're the one drowning in guilt and pain. Man, then they'll start selling you dreams, right? They never even protected when they had you. Promises, futures, forever talk, all bait. And when that doesn't work, they try to stay useful, offering favors, right? Little tasks, maybe take some things off your plate, anything to keep a hook in you. That's not love, people. That's control. That's panic disguised as devotion. You know, love doesn't need to manipulate you into staying. Love doesn't make you question your reality. Love doesn't audition for another chance once their damn mask fell off. Silence is louder than any apology. And when you finally pull your drawbridge up, lock the gates, I'm going to tell you this. That's when the game ends for them and life finally begins for you.